Okay. There's the high beam switch, of course, going in to this harness here. That feeds up and into there. And this also runs along the channel to the back of the car. We'll get to that in a little bit. Up in there. Okay. And in through the dashboard now. You can see the massive amounts of instrument cluster wiring. There's this here, which I hope that is a rear brake light feed. That would be nice. It's entirely possible since this harness is out of a Dart, 65 Dart, and I think the backup lights were much more common in 65 than 64. You get another view of the cable running out and down to there for shifting. Some kind of cluster there. That relay thingy there, I think that's a relay. And that's one of the ammeter gauges. It goes to the ammeter terminal marked red, so that's easy to remember. Looking in through where the stereo used to be, you don't see too much, but you can see the ductwork from the heater. And actually the defroster, I should say. And I'm going to pause for a second.